In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Monday.com for strategic planning and goal setting step by step. If you want a clear system to track company goals, align team initiatives, and make sure everyone is moving in the same direction, this setup will give you a powerful structure inside Monday.com. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete strategic planning workflow built and ready to use. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more practical software guides just like this. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is create a strategic goals board. Go to the left sidebar inside Monday.com and click on the plus Add button, then choose New Board. Name this board something like Strategic Goals or OKRs, depending on how your organization tracks objectives. Select Main Board so it's visible to your team, and then create the board. Now we're going to structure this board properly. Start by adding a text column and label it Goal Name. This is where you'll write each high-level objective, such as increase annual revenue or improve customer retention. Next, add a status column and rename it Goal Progress. Customize the labels to something like Not Started, On Track, At Risk, and Completed. This gives you a quick visual snapshot of how each goal is performing. After that, add a numbers column for target value. This could represent revenue targets, user growth numbers, KPIs, or any measurable metric tied to the goal. Then add another numbers column called Actual Progress, so you can compare real performance against your target. Now add a people column and rename it Owner. This ensures accountability by assigning each strategic goal to a specific person. Finally, add a date column for the deadline so you always know the time frame attached to each objective. Once your columns are ready, organize your board using groups. Create groups such as Q1 goals, Q2 goals, annual goals, or even department goals depending on how your strategy is structured. This grouping system becomes your high-level roadmap for the company. As progress happens, you can manually update statuses and numbers, or later connect integrations to automate updates. At this point, you now have a clean strategic overview board. Next, we're going to create a second board for execution. Click Add again, creating new board, and name it Strategic Initiatives. This board will hold the actual projects and initiatives that support your high-level goals. Start by adding a text column for initiative name, then include a status column to track progress. Add a timeline column so you can clearly see the duration of each initiative. Include a people column for owners, a priority column to rank importance, and either a numbers or drop-down column for impact so you can measure how much each initiative contributes to overall strategy. Now here's the key step that connects everything together. Add a linked to item column and connect this board to your strategic goals board. This allows each initiative to be directly tied to a specific company goal. When you open an initiative, you'll see exactly which strategic objective it supports. This alignment is critical for effective planning because it ensures that every project has a purpose. Once your boards are connected, let's automate alignment. Open your strategic initiatives board and click on Automate at the top. Here you can add rules to reduce manual updates. For example, create an automation that says when status changes to done, update the connected goal to on track. You can also add a rule that says when timeline ends, notify owner, so deadlines never slip unnoticed. Another powerful option is when a number changes, update progress on the connected item. These automations keep your goals and initiatives synchronized automatically. Finally, customize your views to match your needs. Add a timeline view for roadmap planning, a Kanban view for workflow management, and a dashboard view to display key metrics across both boards. Dashboards are especially useful for leadership meetings because they provide a visual summary of progress, ownership, and performance in one place. And that's it. You now have a complete strategic planning and goal setting system inside Monday.com. You've created a high-level goals board, connected it to actionable initiatives, automated updates, and built views that support decision-making. This structure helps teams stay aligned, focused, and accountable throughout the year. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Monday.com tutorials and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.